up, you guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today we're gonna do some cool stuff. You know how I spun out on the ramp? I've done that quite some time, like spinning out. So today I'm just gonna actually like get some seat time and dial it in. Jason just pulled up, so it's gonna be fun.
$900 for an engine.
$500 for an engine? $900 for an engine?
I'm thirsty, bro. Abass
just pulls up. Bro, every time he pulls up in that car, it's just boss, huh?
Yeah, that's a fresh ass whip. I always tell him same thing. Oh, that's good. Nice whip. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
How you doing, sir?
What's up with it, bro? You about to shoot some films today or what?
A little bit, you know, have some fun. I don't know if you guys remember Abass a lot, but
what up with the YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's a bittersweet moment because Abass is leaving.
When? Tomorrow. What? Yeah.
I've been hitting you up.
Yeah, I was thinking like in a month or something.
Nah, I've been hitting you up. We're in California, but if you look at his plates, you'll understand where Abass is going. Abass going back to Minnesota in this bad boy. Bittersweet moment, man. I missed the homie. He's been here for a long time. But he's like, yo, gotta go back home.
Can I drive this shit or what?
Oh yeah, so, I mean, you drove it, right?
No.
You drove it.
Now after it's been swapped.
Really? Cause I could have sworn like you drove it a little bit.
Nope, you never let me.
There you go. Shout out to Ellen, he kind of scarred me. I don't let no one drive my car after letting that motherfucker drive the car.
Yeah, fucking E30 dirty ass Allen, bro. What's up with you, bro? How you gonna do my mans like that? Like he treat you all nice and pleasant, offer you a luxury ride in a BMW. I understand you got a BMW too, but stash cam BMWs are always better. Who are we talking shit about?
No, because the homie scarred me. That's why I don't let a lot of people use the cars. Because ever since he used the car, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let people use it.
Hey, who?
The homie Allen.
Who the fuck is Allen? The one that don't let nobody use the car?
That one, yeah. Oh, my tires are kind of bald, so. Oh yeah, they're really bald. Today's the last day I'm gonna have these tires. But a quick little one just for warm up. But like I want it to be nice, yeah.
The coil over.
Alright, I think it's fine. Vlogging. We just pulled up to the spot. We're gonna get some scouting and see where we can get a good shot.
Dude, this is like perfect for a slingshot. Man, that is.
Better be my meat.
Better be my meat.
About to be my meat.
Oh, hell yeah, it's got a cut right here.
Get cut in the cut.
What's down there though?
Now you trying to find out.
What do you think? Coming in hot? Skirt!
I'm coming in hot.
Hey, if anybody asks, just say that our wheel fell off and we're looking for the lug nuts. Alright, you guys ready?
I'm down.
So I'm gonna do like 2 shots, 3 shots, see how it comes out. I'm gonna try to send it pretty good. Just keep me in your prayers.
You're gonna have to finish it fast.
Bro, this is all done on green screen too.
Fully send it though.
Just fully send it.
No holding back today.
No holding back. If I spin out, I spin out. Fuck it, huh?
You spin out.
Gotcha.
Run it back. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. I'm not too sure if he hit the curb or his tire popped. Or both. I see him though, he's going the opposite way. I'm gonna have to run over there. Holy fuck.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see how it's gonna look. Yeah, so I mean, at least it's just the wheel,
Just the wheel.
right?
Yeah, it looks just like
That was there before, right?
Yeah?
That was there before.
Yeah, that was there before.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're good then. But are you gonna be able to find a separate wheel?
I'll probably have to like buy, maybe.
Might be able to find a separate wheel. Oh yeah, everything looking muy bueno downstairs.
God, where you at?
I'm like at the light station.
Alright.
I'll just go to your house.
So I eventually want a dedicated car to drifting, but for right now I had to use the E30. Good thing it was just the rim. I kind of clipped the rim, and since they're like reps, I'm pretty sure it was like, yep, bro, I'm out. I'm leaving the chat.
No, without a doubt. But they go hard. I like that stuff.
Yo! Did it look bad in camera? Look cool? It's not too bad. Much.
So there's
Check it
nothing
out.
like, it's just the tire then?
Nah, the rim.
Oh, fuck.
Imagine swapping that to a V8. Oh shit.
Cool. We
Wow.
get my jack and then swapping the spare. Back up
swap.
and running. The car will be moving until I find a fucking orbit.
Orbit.
Yeah, that's the name of the rims.
Hey,
Orbits.
bro, have you guys watched Norbert recently?
No, I.
Shit's beats.
No.
Bro.
Why you say that?
Cause I was at some girl's house and I was like, hey, play on some Norbit. Bro, you go Norbit? That shit was fire, bro.
What is it about?
You ever seen Norbit? Eddie Murphy?
You all seen Morbid?
You seen Norbit, right?
Yeah. So you got a girlfriend? You do now.
His girl was like this big ass fat lady, no? Nah, it's pretty funny.
I'm gonna have it back. I smacked the rim. I broke it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh my God! Jesus, really?
It's
What
all.
an asshole!
All right, we back up and running. That's it. That's good. Camera about to die, so low key. This might be the end of the video. Yeah, the boss is gonna drive right now. So yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time. Farewell, boss.
Till next time. And the next video that Lewis shoots with me is gonna be in Germany, guys. So, and it just might be on the Autobahn.
Wait, no, we'll put it this way. It's not gonna be here,
Yeah, it's not gonna be in the States.
cause we might shoot before. Yeah, Minnesota, and then go to Germany.
Minnesota.
Hey!
Shout to Minnesota.
Shout out to my man's here for getting the Mad Ingles.
Thanks, man.
Kind of hyped me up. You know what he said? He said, hey, you need to send it way too hard. You need to send it way harder, bro, because this shit looking whack.
I was like, hey.
Send it way hard. Look at what happened.
That first one you sent. And I was like, bro, you gotta keep that same energy.
Yeah, the first one I said hard, huh? Hell yeah, boy. All right. Peace. Back like I never left. Let's go look for the... So I smacked this somewhere around here. Found it. Oh, shit. Is that it, though? Souvenir pieces, boy.